Hey there, Pauls. Welcome to a speedy edition of Quick Grabs. Today, I'm super stoked to unveil a new addition to my collection, and of course, I couldn't wait to unwrap it and share the excitement with all of you. Figures instantly grabbed my attention, so without a second thought, I snagged them up. By the way, if you enjoy what you see here, I'd truly appreciate your support. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and don't forget to share this with your friends. Thank you so much in advance. Hey folks, I've got a quick pick to share with you today. I stumbled upon this intriguing bag at a local market in my place. The price tag didn't break the bank, staying under $3.05, and I couldn't resist the curiosity about what's inside. Let's check it out together and unveil the mystery. Well, it looks promising. The wrapping is nice, and I'm really digging the design and the image that perfectly captures what's inside. It's not just good quality packaging. It's a visual treat too. Fauna, the world's fauna. Yes. And beautiful tiger illustration here. Male Fang, probably the manufacturer name. You clearly tell it's from China, especially since Male Fang hints at it being a type of Chinese green tea. And here, I reckon, is the name of the distributing company. All right, here we go. This is my absolute favorite part. Let's peel off the layers and see what treasures we've got inside. Okay, guys, I just see beautiful and nice copies of the Safari LTD here. Well, that was a bit of a surprise, but they look pretty darn good. Let's break it down and see what each of these has to offer. Yep, it seems like they're copied from the tubes, and here we have the moose in the mix. The white wolf, and nice, yeah, it looks nice. The elk or wapiti. And take a look at this, a truly stunning mountain goat. It looks like they did a solid job replicating like the original figures with high quality details. Don't you think? I don't have the original tube to compare, so if any of you do, share your thoughts down in the comments. The details on this little guy are incredible, even better than what you often see from other brands. Beaver here in the cougar or mountain lion. Beautiful details indeed. And this side, well, I think it's a ram, the bighorn ram, yes. It's a copy of an old release by Safari LTD. Raccoon. Well, yep, it seems like they might have skimped a bit on the paint job. It looks like they kept it simple with just 2 or 3 colors. I love it. It's one of the best and most sought after figures in the collection. The pronghorn. And black bison. and Rover Otter 2. And finally, the grizzly bear. So here we've got a lovely assortment of North American animals. The quality or the imitation is excellent and honestly not too far off from the originals. But still, you can't beat the originals when it comes to intricate details and top-notch material quality. All right, guys, what do you think about this bunch? Share your thoughts on Replicas versus originals in the comments below. And thank you for watching, and I wish you a great day.